Hello traders, and as I promised before, I'm doing a brand new video just like about the subject that you asked me to do it before. So today we're going to talk a little bit about the support, resistance and trend lines. And normally what people does is to get the history of the price and they start to drawing a lot of figures, a lot of lines. So this is quite easy. If the past is already gone, so it's quite easy to draw lines. So what I want to do today, I'm gonna trade with you. Okay, so I got a token here, an asset. It's GMT USDT. Okay, could be anyone. I just picked the first one I saw here. Bring it a little to the past because what I want to do is we are gonna take some price actions according to supports, resistance, and trend line by the movements of the price. So once the price is moving, and we are gonna start drawing, and then we are gonna try to make some money out of it. Okay. So when I open an asset, first thing that I like to do is to come here to daily or to monthly. Let's go to daily. This is a brand new coin. So there's no much history on it on Binance Futures. We have only this history here. I could pick anyone. We can come here even to the weekly, but weekly won't show much to us, okay? But let's start about the weekly, okay? Maybe this is this was a wrong choice, but anyway, okay? First, what I want to see here is some pullback areas, okay? Some areas where the price went up or went down, and then rejected the region. Then you're gonna find a very good support, okay, or resistance. I'm gonna use this trading view too. If you're not familiar with it, you can come here and choose, okay, horizontal line. It's much easier to do. And looking at the weekly chart, the only price level where it went to some direction and changed it, it was here, right? It was here. The price was going up and up and up and up, and then it really got rejected and went down. So this is going to be the only weekly support in this case that I have found. Maybe it's going to be a resistance someday, probably because the price is under this line. So in the future, it's going to be a resistance, right? Now I'm going to come to the daily chart. I'm going to try to find some pullback areas here too. What we can do, we can refine a little this weekly line and move it a little up, okay? So it's much better now. It's much more reliable or refined, and it's checking the daily prices. It's normal. You have to refine it from time to time. And I like to use the real bodies of the candles, okay? I don't like to use these sticks here, okay? And let's try to find now on the daily chart if there are some regions where the price made some kind of pullback. And I can see here, okay, here it's a kind of pullback, right? The price went up, then it got rejected for in some region here, went down, then went up again, rejected in basically the same level, went down, rejected again, went down, and then bang, it went up. So I'm gonna take the same tool, I'm gonna put it here, okay, in the real body of the first rejection, right? And my daily support or resistance is painted in red. So I'm gonna use here a different color. So I'm gonna use, let's see. Oh, I have to select it first. Let's use the orange, right? Okay. So I know that the red is quite strong. Orange is okay. Okay. Let me see if there's some more region here. Can you see that the price went up, went down, and then it bang, broke this line. And I'm gonna build another one here. Okay. And you can check that was this rejection here, and this is also quite important because the price went down, made a retest here, and then went really down. There was a rejection of this resistance here, and it was a previous resistance, right? It's quite important to do this here. We might put some here too, but it's not really clear to me. This looks like a accumulation support. I don't like the accumulation supports very much because they are not really reliable. If you want to draw it here, it's okay, not a problem. Might help in the future, but I don't like it, okay? Because the retail is building this. So the retail was building this, the whales broke it up, okay? And then the retails are doing this, and the whale broke it up. If for some reason the whale breaks this down, like here, okay, then I would draw it. And there was a price down here, okay? So probably a way I'll push this down. And this is the area. Okay, it makes sense, okay? You don't need to put another one here, at least not now, okay? Then I'm going to the 4-hour chart. Let's see if we can find more stuff here. I want to see some rejection areas. Okay, here might be an interesting area. The price went down and bang, went up, okay? So I'm gonna use this area. It might be useful in the future. Okay, let me use now the yellow, it's okay. Let me check here. Okay, here it's an important part. Here is also very important. Can you see here? The price went down, went up, there was a rejection, and bang, it went straight down. So this area is really important for me too. Right? Sorry, my nose is not the best today. I'm gonna... Sorry, I'm really sorry. I won't restart the video because of this. We can make some refining here. Okay, Augusto, but you decided to move it a little bit down because of the sticks. Yes, but it's normal to refine this if you find the opportunity, right? Sorry, I don't know what's happening today. Okay, so then you can see these areas here. I cannot, okay, maybe here, okay. Come on, here it's important, right? The price went up, bang, went down. And here might be important too. The price went down and bang, went up. Okay, and there is a kind of confluence here because you see that these candles also find some toughness to break this area in the first. And you have only to get the main ones, otherwise you are gonna get crazy because you can come here and say the price went up and down, the price went up and down. But I want to see the most important areas where the price made the biggest moves. Okay. Let me see if there's something here, and you don't have to make the whole history of the token because price is here, okay? So if you have something up and something down, this is quite okay. Maybe this might be important, okay? And you see that the same stuff, the price went up and then came back, make a retest, and there was a real bang before, right? Okay, so this is also really important. And now I have the main support and resistance that that I built from the past. I like to make my trades in 1 hour chart. It takes a little bit longer than 15 minutes, of course, but I think that's much more reliable. And it all connected with the time I have. I don't have the time on my daily job to keep an eye on it, to look every 15 minutes. But for sure I can take a look at it every 1 hour, twice per hour. So I rather make my trades on the 1 hour chart. That's why I use the weekly, daily, and 4-hour candles to draw the lines. Of course, if you want to play on 15 minutes, you have to come a little bit before and maybe use 12 hours, 4 hours. I like 3 hours too, and 1 hour to make your trades on the 30 or 15 minutes. So you can use it in any time frame. Now you know why I'm using this now. And I'm sorry, my English is really bad. So okay, I woke up in the morning and then I see the price here. There's an important support here, down here, an important resistance here, and I won't do anything. The only thing that I can take a look here, you can see that the price is printing lower highs. Okay, you have a high here, you have a lower high, and another lower high. So then we can draw a trend line here. You can see clearly that you are having lower highs, okay? It's real clear. Then you try to draw a line, okay? The way I do, I'm gonna use the white color here, we are gonna get really messy here. I know I didn't like the white one. Let me take another one. Let me take this one is okay, so we can look it better, okay? When we look at the bottom, okay, you have a low here, and this might not be a lower low, okay? It's more or less on the same level. This also might not be a lower low, okay? So, you know, it's tricky, okay? You can come here and do whatever you want. It's your head, it's your thinking, and you can maybe draw this here, okay? You can maybe do like this. It's not wrong. It's really not wrong. But once you see there's a low here, and that this low is not lower than this one, okay, might be some cents lower, whatever, okay, but it's not really relevant, right? And because this This support here is much more relevant than this straight line, okay? Ah, Augusto, I want to do it. Okay, do it. It's your computer, it's your hand. I'm just telling you the way I like to do, okay? And now what we need to see, okay, let's be, oh, if you get the real body of the candles, so you are being more safe, okay? If you are taking the sticks too, you are being a little bit more aggressive. So try to collect as much as tops or lows, if this is the case, when you draw this line, okay? So it's not wrong if you do like this, okay? It's definitely not wrong, but you are playing safe, okay? If you are drawing this like this, collecting all of the sticks, so it's also correct, but you are being a little bit more aggressive, okay? It's a different style, it's not right or wrong. You have to do it many times and decide what's the best for you, for your setup. So I want to search for a trade now, okay? And there are gonna be two types of trades. First, if the price breaks this trend line, it might goes up until this support, okay? If it keeps on going down, it might breaks down, okay? This support area and go even lower, okay? So I don't know what's going to be, what's gonna happen. I'm gonna play here. I'm gonna check. Please remember this, okay, I want to work on a 1 hour chart. Okay, there we go. And you have to remember that every candle that you are seeing here, it takes about 1 hour to close, right? It's about 1 hour to close. So you do have time to react, okay? So you are in a job, you might set up an alert here. If you work and you cannot look at this all the time, let me make a pause here. You can come here for in this line and you can right click and no, it's better if you, oh, come on. Okay, let's do it better, okay? You can come here on the name of the asset you are working with, okay? And you can come here and you can add, I cannot do this, sorry, because I'm on the replay mode, right? On the real mode, you can come here, right click and add an alert. So once the price crosses this line, you're gonna get an alert. So you might be in a meeting or concentrating your job, and then you're gonna see your telephone ring and you say, I have to take a look at the GMT, use the USDT, and decide if I'm going to trade. This is what I normally do on a daily basis, okay? But let's check our price. The price is going, price is moving 1 hour for each candle here. So you see that's a little bit faster, of course, because we cannot wait hours and hours here. And you can you know, try to do some small trades if you are in front of the computer. Can you see that there is a trend line here? We just learned about the trend line, and this trend line might be broken or might go up. I don't know. If you have time, okay, you can do this on the computer, okay? And bang. And then what do you see here, okay? What do you see? The price broke the trend line and is trying to go up again, okay? And there is a small trade here, okay? There might be a small trade here, because if the price goes up this line, so there's no trade. But if for some reason the price goes down, I can get the price in this area more or less and get maybe here an 8% profit on a trade, on a short position, okay? So let's see what the next candle does. If it rejects it, might okay. Augusto, but you know, I have to tell you something, okay? If you get the big picture, okay? If you get the big picture, you are going to see that you have a trend line here, right? And you have this trend line here that you might want to adjust a little bit here. You see, the charts are just like music, okay? Every person that takes a look at the chart are going to find maybe something different, okay? It's all about stop loss and take profit, okay? Price action. And okay, I want to trade, okay? Whatever it does, I want to trade. So I want to trade here, okay? The price is here. I'm gonna come here and take this short position too, because I want to measure it, okay? When you have this kind of break, okay, this is a triangle, okay, that's a magical triangle, and I'm gonna enter here, and the book says that the stop might be over this line, okay? So if the price comes here in this area, so I have to stop this trade because it was a false break or something like that. And of course, my target is gonna be around the support area, okay? I like to play safe. Some people like to put the target here, but sometimes the price doesn't come here. So I like to put it a little bit before. The price might come here, of course. The price even might breaks, okay? But I like to put here and then follow the price and see what's going to happen. Okay, so I might have here, oh, it's a 3.4. I have the 3.4 times more profit than loss. So this is a great trade. I hope we don't lose some money here in our stop loss. But everything is set. I enter the price, stop loss is set, take profit is set. I won't do this. I won't touch this. I will let the price roll, okay? Let's go on and on. Let's see if we make some money. It might not. And okay. 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 Come on, guys. So we are quite lucky this time. Guys, I have to tell you, I didn't know what was about to happen. I didn't check the price, okay? And then here we have a trade which gave us about, the entries were here, our exit were here. So it's 7.4. If you're using times 10 leverage, so it's going to be 70%, quite good money. You can pay the pizza, and there we go. So all of this now I have to forget, because I don't know what's going to happen ahead. What I know is that this support is broken, okay? This support is really broken, and the price might come here. I don't know if it's going to retest and break it up, or if it's going to retest and go down, or if it's going to go straight down, okay? So let me go and take a look what the price is going to do now. It looks like it's going to retest, right? If the price retest here, okay, it was too quick. I wasn't able to get this trade because I was expecting the price to come here, okay, and make a retest and go down. But the price moved faster than, you know, me. So what can I do? I lost this trade. It's okay. Market gives opportunities every time, right? So I lost this trade. One thing that I want to show you guys, okay? I didn't have the time to do this because it went really quick. But when the market printed this candle, okay, this very first candle, this is something I like to do. This is something I like to do, okay? You do whatever you want. What I like to do is I take out my take profit order, I cancel it, okay? Because it seems after this candle, it seems that you are going to have a big move here. And if I have the time to keep in front of the computer, so I take this take profit order and I take my stop loss order. I'm gonna paint here like, I don't know, blue, okay? Or green, money color, green. So my take profit order was here. So I move my stop loss order to here, okay? And I let the price roll, okay? I let the price roll. So I delete this. It's a quite good strategy, okay? I delete this and I let it go, okay? I let it go. Then the price broke the support, and I know that the price might come up and retest it. So what I do in this situation, I move my take profit order a little bit up because it might come with a stick around here just to get people stop losses, because people are very precise. They put the stop loss here, okay, or a little bit. So I keep, okay, I have a good profit from here to here. If the price comes up, get my order and goes down, doesn't matter. I made some money. I made very good money. I didn't lose any money, okay, right? So I put a little bit up here, okay. Let's see how distant it is from the support. It's important to check. Let's see if that's okay. It's 1.7%. It's okay, okay, might work. So let's suppose I do this, so I'm still in profit. What I would do now, I would move this order to here because it seems to be a very small support. I don't care if the price comes up and get my order because I made a bunch of money, but I want to take out of the trade as much as I can. I won't follow it until the bottom. Remember, first plan was to stop here, okay? I'm already here, so it's much better. And it's much more safe than open a new trade here. It's much safer, okay? Price might come up and bang, goes up again. We don't know, okay? So let's play safe. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see the next move. Okay, price might goes up again. Price might stay in this area. So, okay, it looks like that price I'm going to stay here. So I'm going to move my stop loss order or my stop gain order to the middle of this candle. Let's keep on going and let's see what's going to happen. Okay, price, look where the price touched. Look where the price touched. Come on, buddy. Okay, come on. It went to the support. Okay, so this line was not this was not here just for fun. Okay, and when it came up, hit my order here. You can see it hit my order, and this trade is out. Okay, this trade is out. We are not trading anymore. We made a bunch of profit, and then we have to see what the price is going to do. Okay, price is moving harder and harder and harder. Okay, here there was another trade. Okay, I didn't have the time because velocity is really quick. Okay, what we could do here, because price went up, got my order. Okay, got my order, right? And after the price did this, pay attention now. After the price did this, okay, it went down again. Okay, it went down. Then you can see that you have here a low, or a high, sorry. Then you have a lower high. Then you have here a low, a lower low, a lower low. And there is a, might break the support, right? If the price is so really going down and break the support so easily, when you look at this, you might say, if the price comes here again, it might break the support. So what you do, you come here and you leave an order because it might move fast and you won't be able here. So you want to get it right after the breakout, okay? And you are willing to the price to hit. We want the price to hit the support here, and you can put the stop loss on the previous high. Okay. Okay. So it's a 2.1 trade. So the chance to get money is 2 times bigger than to lose. So this is the kind of trade I like. You could already set the stop loss, the take profit order here, or you could wait. If you're in front of the computer, you know what I mean, right? And there was a trade here, okay? And we already have 2 trades, Augusto. And now, if you want to keep trading, okay, there might be 2 things, okay? The price touched this area, okay, and might go up a little, okay, and the price might break this area and really go to the next support, okay? What do you want to do? You can leave orders, okay? It's a little too late to get into this movement here from here to here. It's a little late, okay? And let's keep on checking out the price. The might price comes here and break up, and comes here and break down. We don't know, okay? And there is still no trend, no lines to draw here, okay? Maybe if you want to draw a line, you might want to do this. Let's see if it's possible. It's no, it's not a trend line, real, okay? It's you might realize that it's not really good, this trend line, okay? Let's wait for the price to move to make something better. Okay, then what's going to happen here? I don't know. I just keep on following the price. Well, it went up and it's coming into this direction, right? If I have time, if I am in front of the computer, I might wait this retest here and to see if it's going to break or not. If not, I can already draw here, okay, a trade. I can leave the order, and you can leave the order already with a stop loss and take profit and so on. And let's check what's going to happen here. Okay, if my stop loss here, it's a little bit painful, right? It's 1.3. If I leave it here, it's going to be more conservative. Okay, maybe, okay, can be. You can leave your order here and see if it's going to break, or you can follow it step by step if you're in front of the computer, okay? Let's see what the price is going to do. Let's see if it's going to, okay, hit our order. Whoa, it looks like we're going to make some money. Maybe yes, maybe no. It's going up, it's going up, it's going up, and then we have a loss here. and you have to accept it, okay? You cannot come here and make average price and put more margin. You just have to accept it. There was a small loss. Let's see how much was this loss. It's 18% loss. It was a big loss. This was a big loss, but we had a chance to make a lot of money too, okay? Part of the game, price went up. The same thing we made this trade, you could set up another trade, okay? So this is all about a stop loss and take profit, okay? You could set, you could have set another order here. And now you can see that this is the real life of trades, not the things that they show on that kind of video on internet where everything runs fine. There's a lot of beautiful trades. You could see, you could do another thing, okay? Maybe there's no wrong, there's no right. A trade here, look at this and said, the price got some rejection and it's going up, okay? This is okay. You can say the price went here, okay? But once we are on a lower and lower trend line, the trend is down. I believe that the price will break it and go down. Which of the two are wrong? None of them are wrong. The one that is really wrong is the one who didn't set a stop loss. This guy is really wrong, okay? So if we went in another direction, we might make some profit, I don't know, okay? But we already have some gains up here. And I like to do the following. When we have some gains, come on, let's stop here. When you have some gains, you separate your money, your pocket money by side, and you start operating with a part of your gains. Because if you lose, it's going to be only the part of your gains, right? And it goes up. If I decide to do this, and it's beautiful, right? Retest, rejection, and went up. So this trade, this way of analyze the trading is it's much wiser, okay? Now I don't know what's going to happen. Let's keep on going, okay? So it might print a lower high. I don't know. If it prints a lower high, then we might have a trade here. Okay, there we go. We have a high, lower high, lower high. So we can draw a trend line here. And you see that your chart is going to get messy, okay? First, you can set up a trade here believing that the prices come here, okay? Or you can wait the price to touch this trend line several times and wait for the breakout, okay? There's no wrong trade. You can set up a trade now. You can open it. Augusto, I want to trade. Okay, let's trade now, okay? Let's see if it's possible to trade now. It's going to be a short position. I'm going to enter exactly here. My target is here around 70%, okay, the bottom line. And my stop loss, it's going to be, there will be a real breakout of this trend line, okay? So we have another trade. Let's trade. Let's see the ratio, 1.83. I don't like trades that are lower than 2, okay? But I want to trade, okay? It's our hand, it's our computer, it's our money. You trade, okay? I wouldn't do this trade at the moment, okay? Let's see if you guys are going to make some money and me not. Hey, what? You guys making money? You guys are making money. Or not? Or not? Or not? Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at it. It might goes down. Let's see if there's a rejection of the trend line. And you are making money. I'm not. You are making money. I'm not. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't know. I don't know. Price is moving. And this is what scares me. Okay. You have 2 touches here and you have a rejection, right? And then you have here a higher high. You have a high, a higher low. You have a low here. Then this might be a higher low. If it is a higher low, so the trend line might change it, okay? Then we have here a resistance line. Let's go on, let's keep on doing this, okay? Of course, 30 minutes of video already, okay? I don't care if it's good for you, if you are learning, if you didn't give up, so you are the man, it's gonna make the whole difference, okay? And in the end, you can see that price is accumulating here, okay? And you are locked in this trade, and you don't care because you have stop loss and you have take profit, okay? And you are just doing this with some profit you got before, right? We are quite lucky in the beginning of the day today, so there's only profit here, and I really don't know what's going to happen, right? It might be that the price is really accumulating and you don't trade. Of course, it could be accumulating on your profit zone, but it's on your red zone. I don't know what's going to happen. Okay, and now you are in profit. Okay, let's draw the stop gain here. Okay, let's move a little here. Let's see, you have, I'm trying to use this very, let me give a zoom here. So I'm put this line here, okay? So it's more or less a kind of a weak support or a weak resistance, but it might work. We have some touches here. The correct way to place this should be here, but it's too close to the price zone. So let's leave this here, okay? It's okay. I spend hours and hours just scared of losing my money, and then the price is here, okay? So let's be conservative. Let's be wise, okay? Let's see if the price moves to our take profit zone. I'm not in profit, you are, because I decided not to do this trade. You decide to trade anyway. That's the way life is. There's no right or wrong, okay? It might hit, okay, it hit our, thank God, or thank our knowledge. We put a stop gain here, because otherwise, very quickly, you would lose this profit and you would lose your money. Okay, now you understand why do you have to move the stop gain orders. And it looks like the structure from the past is completely broken, and we are going to keep on trading. Okay, let's use our supports and our trend lines, and the price might go up now. Broke one resistance, it's going to retest it, and whoa, it seems to break this. I don't know if I want to trade this. Let's see. If it goes up again, I'm gonna open a trade. Come on, come on, come on, retest and go up. Okay, it came here, retested and went up. And I'm gonna open a new trade here. Okay, see, we are trading a lot. We're trading 24 hours a day. And I'm gonna go for long now. Okay, I'm gonna enter here, exactly where the price are. I'm gonna put my stop loss a little bit below these wicks here. Okay, these wicks or sticks or call, whatever you want. And my take profit zone is here, okay? So it's a 3.4 ratio trade. It's a great trade. And let's keep on trading because we really like to trade. We really like to make money, okay? It seems that I'm gonna have a problem or not. Okay, it's on the red zone. Okay, might go up. It's going down. Look how, oh, whoa. And now what's going on? It makes sense. Now, guys, you spend here about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours in red. So you are a very wise guy. You're gonna move your stop gain order here. If the price comes down quickly, I'm already in profit. It doesn't matter if it goes down again and then moves up. But our hit might take profit. But remember, when I move this, I take out my take profit, I delete my take profit order, and I move my stop loss order a little bit up. Because I want to take as much as this trend can offer me. Let's go there. I'm very, very happy because I didn't took a stop loss here. Okay, it seems that the price is going up. I don't know. I don't know. Augusto, why don't I move my stop gain order here? You might do this. Okay, you do whatever you want. But what am I doing here? Okay, now we have to pay attention. I don't know if you see, we have a low here. And we might have a higher low. We have a high here, and we might have a higher high. So what we are gonna do, we're gonna draw a trend line here for our safeness. Okay, let's do more or less like here. Okay, because I want to take all of these dips here. So maybe this is a deviation, maybe not, or maybe it's here. Okay, let's do like this because it looks like you are going to have a trend line here. The price is going up in a trend. And why is this so important? Because if the price breaks this line, okay, you have to close your trade immediately because it's probably going down, right? So let's give a play here. Okay, let's see what's going on. Price is touching this line. Guys, I didn't know what's going to happen, okay? I just took some token, okay, and start trading with you guys. And might be that the price is going up and I'm gonna get rich. I'm gonna move my stop order here to this week, okay, and I'm really willing this price to go up. I'm already in profit, okay, and it seems that it's going to break this support, this resistance. If it breaks, it's gonna be nice. It came up. Let's see if there's a retest. Okay, it broke the trend line. Let's follow a little. Let's pray, let's pray, let's pray. Break, 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 please break, please break. It's breaking down. Okay, stop that. Okay, I won't follow this anymore because there's a real trend line, several touches here, another touch here, another bunch of touch here, another touch here. I am in profit and I'm gonna do a very risky stuff, okay, because it seems to be a very good trend line. It's gonna be risky now, but I have a bunch of profits. I'm gonna take some profits, okay, and it broke this trend, so I close my trading profit. I'm gonna close this right now. So how much money did I get? Let's see here. Let's measure this. Let's see if it was a good profit or not. Ah, come on. With a 10 times leverage, it was a 100% profit. Come on, if this is not good, I don't know what is good. And as this trend line is broken, okay, I can do two things. I can wait for the retest, okay. You do whatever you want, but you can wait for the retest and the price might comes down here, retest and might comes down here. I don't know. I really don't know. The price can come straight from here down, right? Or the price might, this was a retest, okay, this is a retest. It might comes up, break this resistant area and goes up, okay? But once I have a lot of profit, my day was okay. Okay, each candle is 1 hour, so my week was okay, right? I'm gonna open a trade here and see what's going to happen, okay? I don't know. I'm betting, and I'm really betting now on this rejection, okay? I'm betting on this rejection, okay? I'm betting, and I think that might come to this support. It's a 1.5 trade. It's a trash trade, okay? But if it comes here, might break and goes even lower. Okay, so this is a bet. There's no TA here. Okay, I think it's going to go lower. Okay, I think it's going to go higher. This might be a bet, might be a good bet, but I'm doing this with my profits. Okay, and it's a terrible trade. This would never ever be my first trade in a day. Okay, and I'm gonna tell you a secret. If the price comes here and there's a rejection, I'm gonna buy more, okay? I'm gonna make my my medium price better, okay? This is risky. Don't do this as your first trade. Don't do this with your money. Do this with your profits, okay? Let's see what's going to do. Might go up. Okay. It seems I'm lucky. It seems I'm not. It seems I'm not lucky. Price is trying to go down. It's trying to go down. I'm in profit. I don't care about life anymore. I'm in profit. As this trade is risky, I'm going to put my stop loss here, or my stop gain, just to pay the taxes if price goes up. And then we go. 38 minutes of video. Come on. Maybe I'm lucky. Maybe I'm lucky. Price is not hitting. Oh, it hit. It hit my stop gain. Okay. It hit my stop gain. So that's it. Okay. Let's go move on. I made some money to pay the taxes, okay? And, okay, let's wait the next move to trade. I'm gonna trade only if the price goes up or if the price goes down. I don't wanna trade in this zone here because it's really risky. Or if we kind of see some trend. If we kind of see some trend, you have here a low, we have a higher low, we have here a high, and then you have a lower high. We might have a trend line here. I don't know. We might have a trend line here. And bang. Okay. Whoa, broke my trend line. My trend line is not valid anymore. Come on, stop it. Okay, I saw this big candle. Okay. When I saw this big candle, I was not trading. I was waiting for the breakout. If you are a very smart guy, you also saw that there was a trend line here. okay? It's not the best trend line in the world, okay? But there was a trend line here. I didn't draw it, okay? But you could have drawn. And this, in the end, you saw this before. It's a symmetrical triangle. The price might go up to the next resistance. The price might go down to the next support, okay? So there was a trade here. I missed it because I was sleeping, whatever, okay? But there is another trade here. It might break and go down. It might go make a rejection and go up. Let's trade. Let's trade. Let's see the next candle. Okay, it broke up. Okay. Then what I can do, okay, I can already open my trade. I can open, or I can wait for the retest. Okay. As I'm in profit already, okay, this wouldn't be my first trade, but I want to be open a short position here. Okay. And I want to open a short position. Why? Because the next support, the next good support is quite far away. I can make a lot of money here, right? So I open this trade. Maybe there is a retest here. Maybe I can have some stop loss. Maybe I can have a lot of money. Let's see what happened. And we are going to 40 minutes of video. I'm going to stop after this, okay? And it might goes down. It might goes down. I'm in profit. I'm not in profit. Oh, this is really stressing, right? It might go there and make a retest. This might have been a retest. I don't know. Okay. Well, and we are in profit again because we are very wise and we make technical analysis. I'm going to move my stop loss where maybe here. Okay. There's not much TA here to do, okay? So this might be a area that was a support in the past, might be a resistance. Oh, might be a resistance now. And if the price comes here, I'm gonna get really rich, okay? And it seems that I have my stop gain again. The trade was not the best, but I made some money, okay? It's going there to make a retest. It's going to make a retest and stop. This was a retest. Okay, if this is a retest and I have already a lot of profit, I'm gonna open here a new trade. Okay, I'm willing the price to go down. Okay, why? Because the volumes, look how high are the volumes when the price is going down. And this is gonna be my last trade. Okay, my last trade of the week, and I'm lucky and I'm not lucky. And I'm really not lucky. And I'm in red, I won't do anything. This might have been the real retest. This might have been a fake retest. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's gonna hit my stop loss, but I don't care because this is all some part of my profit. Whoa, I'm getting lucky again. I'm getting poor again. I'm getting really poor. I'm getting a little bit more poor. Guys, this is what trading is all about. Okay, you won't make average price. You won't change values, you won't close your trade, but this is risky, right? So when up, okay, come on, I don't want to lose my money, I don't want to lose my profit, so I'm gonna put it here very tight, very close to entry area, because it's already Friday, Saturday, I want to party on with my family or my friends, and I don't want to follow this trend around the weekend, okay? And it seems that it's going down. I don't know. It's difficult to say. Red volume, green volume, red volume, green volume, red volume. It's really in accumulation zone. Okay. And I'm very wise guy. Okay, hit my stop loss. It's over. It's over. I won't trade anymore. And look here. Okay, the history of our trade. Okay. Now you see how important are the resistance and the supports, and you see how to work on a daily basis. You can do it on a 4 or 5 minutes, 15, 30 minutes. You have time the whole weekend to sit down in a computer. You see that we made more profit than losses. You see we decided to move our stop gain order several times, and if we didn't move this line, we could have much more losses than profits. Okay, so I hope that this was a real example of how to trade, okay? And it helps you a lot on a daily basis. Of course, you made money. Yeah, share some with me. My wallet is on the description of this video, okay? And if this is not okay, if you hate it, leave some comments why you hate it, and leave your comments also if for some reason this was a very good video for you and helped you make a lot of money. Thank you guys a lot. See you next time. Leave your suggestion, okay? Please leave what theme you want me to do next, okay? Bye bye guys.